Okay, we're on the third problem of this activity, and if you're watching this video, once again, that means you made a mistake, and that's okay, that's what we're here for. So, just like every other problem, make sure you copy it down properly. Don't mess up that inequality symbol and forget it somewhere. Okay, and we're solving for x. We're trying to see what our possible values are, and as I always teach, in this problem, the first step is to get all the x's on the same side, and I would do that by subtracting 8x from both sides. Okay, I like to subtract by 8x instead of moving the 12x, and that's so that we don't get negative coefficients. We keep all of our coefficients positive. Okay, now we do need x by itself, so we're going to add 8 to both sides. Okay, keep cleaning it up. 12 plus 8 is 20. So 20 is greater than or equal to 4x. And lastly, we need to divide by 4 on both sides. Okay, so our x has the coefficient of 1, and we know that 5 is greater than or equal to x. Now, if we're going to use this inequality, it's often best to get x on the left-hand side. Makes it a little bit easier for us. So we can switch this whole entire thing around. Just notice that the inequality symbol is pointing towards x, so make sure when you flip it, it is still pointing towards x. I'm going to copy this on my paper now. So you've got x is less than or equal to 5. Okay, now we need to figure out which graph matches it. All 4 of our graphs, the point is filled in, so we know that all of them are still possible, but we got 5. So these answers with 1 clearly cannot be correct. And the arrow this time is pointing to the left. And remember, we can only use this trick when the variable is on the left-hand side, which it is. So all of these values in graph D are less than 5. So D would be the correct answer.